Hi friends, today I just plan to cover the topic Blob Storage Lifecycle Management. It's a part of AZ104. So I will just cover the topic Lifecycle Management. How to we can do with the Blob Storage Lifecycle Management. Okay. So I just show one picture, then with one scenario basis, then you can easily understand what is a Lifecycle Management. Okay. So you have one storage account, then the storage account have one blob container. It's like a picture. Then you will upload more picture in the blob container. So what happened? Uh, After 13 days or the after 13 days or 16 days, you no need to access, no need to the first upload the images, or you are not frequently accessing this image. So what happened when you uploading the image or ending in the blob storage, it's coming with the default is hot tire. Okay, so you need to it's very cost effective for if in the tire will be keep on the hot tire. So Azure will be provide you automated to manage your tires, like moving from hot to cold and cold to archive. So how to we can do it this one? Okay, so here your picture is in the hot tire. Okay, so after 13 days you don't want to access this picture automatically move it to cool tire. Okay, so what happened then after 180 days, or the you, because this depends on your rule, after 180 you don't want again this images, so these images will be moving to the where in the archive file. So after 180 days or after 300 days you will set the rule, I don't want this images. So what happened, this images will be going to delete. So you can do you can save your cost, and you can optimize your blobs, and effectively reduce the headache of the administrative for the who is the admin of the Azure portal. Okay, so what is the benefit? Automated blob cycle, move to access layers and optimize the storage cost. So now you can understand Azure Blob Storage Service enable automated to manage the lifecycle operation of the blobs, like aged data, and moving to the different tiers, and it will help to reduce the cost. So now I think you can get the one picture what is lifecycle management. Only simply you just think your unexpired data, or no lifecycle data will be moved to different tires, only that. So now I will go for demonstration blob storage lifecycle manager. First we will create one account, then we'll create one blob container, then we can configure the lifecycle management rules. Okay, now I reach our portal, then I will make one, first I will make one resource group. Yeah, resource group name we will put lifecycle demo. Yeah, I type the name demo lifecycle is yours. Okay. Then next tab, I will skip this tagging. Next to review and create. So validation pass, I just click create. So now the resource group is created. Then we will make one storage account. Okay. So we will check on demo lifecycle. Then we will make one storage account. Just to create this one. Click. Okay. I type here storage. Okay. Okay, click the storage account, then you can create the storage. Okay, just to click the storage. So demo lifecycle resource group, or the storage account name demo lifecycle. So is to use standard, and we will go for local redundancy LRS. Okay, then click in next. Then click in next. I skip all the step. Review. Waiting for the validation. Okay, just to click create. So just to wait for the creation of the storage account, then I will come back. Okay, storage account creation completed. We will go for the resources. Then we will go for the container. Then make one container. You can understand this all I will told my previous video. I will put in the description. So just watch my previous video. Then you can understand very easily. Okay. So just I will make for the container life cycle management. Then I will go for blobs. Then create. So successfully created. You can see here lifecycle management public access block. We will go for check the property, container property here. Yeah, here you can copy the URL and you can see the status available and lifecycle management name. Okay, so we will go for a container again, and what we will upload one file here. Okay, just click and upload. Yeah, I browse the file. Yeah, upload successfully, and I will try to upload again another file also. Load one more file also I will upload it. Okay. See, now you will upload all the files. Okay, so here you can see the tire will be coming hot, blob type, blob and size. Okay, so this images example, and after 3 months or after 13 days you are not frequently access this image, so we needed to change it to this tire to automatically to cold tire, or we need to change it to hot tire to cold tire and cold tire to archive. So how to we can do this one in the Azure portal. So I will show you how to we can do this one. Okay, so after you upload this image, then we will go for here the more lifecycle container and go for in the here. You can see here lifecycle manager. Just click this one lifecycle management. You can add the rule here. So what is the rule we will implement now? Just to put the rule name first, hot to cool type. Just whatever the name you needed to put. Okay. Rule scope. Apply the rule all blobs in your storage or limited blobs in the filter. So that depends on this. So you have more blobs, you can apply for the rules. Limited blobs, you need to filter the blobs. Okay, so but we will go for the apply rule for all blobs in your storage account because we have only now one. Okay, then blob type, block blobs, so you can select, you have append blobs also, you can select this one also. Okay, blobs type, base blob, snapshot and version. So now I will not cover this one, we will go for the base blobs. Okay, okay, I just click the name next. Yeah, here the base blobs rules, you need to apply the rules for here. Here two rules. If base blobs is last modified or created, you can select created or last modified is means when the the upload blobs is last, when the last modified. So example, you will upload today, then it will be modified after 6, then will not modify it. So that file is you don't want this one, you can move it to another tire. Okay, so you can understand. And created means when you created, example you will create it today and you can move for, you can make the rule for after 1 month or 13 days this will be moved. Okay, so whatever the rule you need to create this, but I will go for last modified because better last modified, because if you can understand, if you are last modified, if not in the previous 1 month before, so that image or any file you can understand that no need to more accessibility. So we will go for this one, and you can put last modified how many days. I just put the 13 days. Then what you need to do, go to move to cold storage or move it to cold storage or move it to archive storage or delete the blob. So what we will do, we will go for move it to cool storage. Then after that you can give the add a condition again. Last modified, enter the value. 19 days is going to 19 days or 180 days, whatever you want. Example, I will put 180 days for move into the archive store. Okay. Then again you can put the rule last modified. If like whatever the modification rule you need as per your concern, you can put this in. So I will just only going for now the demo purpose only one rule. Then click add. So just wait for the completion. See, now the hot cold tire is created, the rule is completed. So this is a simple step. You can move this one as per your requirement. Okay. So now the hot tire will be created. The rule also you can, and also you can be update this rule anytime also. Okay. So what is the scenario? Then you can go your blobs container. Then here lifecycle manager. Now we cannot show the update live because this we are uploading this after 13 days only it's work. Okay, so after 13 days this all files will be changed to hot to cold. Okay, so I think now you understand how to what is the lifecycle management blobs and how to we can implement the lifecycle management. Okay, thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.